Hi, eighth graders. So today I want to do some experiments with density to wrap up our unit on that. Great job on the test, and those of you who haven't done it yet, finish that up and get it turned in. Okay, so number one is I took balloons, and then in the balloon with a funnel I added different things. So to this balloon I added oil. So when I put that in, it floats. So oil floats on top, so that's less dense than water. The next one I did was alcohol. So I filled the balloon with alcohol, and alcohol also floats. Then I thought, well, let me try some juice that was in the refrigerator. So here's some juice going in. Oh, the juice is a little bit heavier, so that sinks. So that density must be greater than 1. Then I tried maple syrup. In it goes, and that is a sure sinker down at the bottom. Next I tried vinegar. So I put vinegar in that one, and vinegar also sinks to the bottom. Then the last one I did was mustard. What happens to the mustard going in? And mustard, as thick and as heavy as mustard is, it's a floater. Absolutely amazing. So the things that are up on top are floating because their density is less than water. They're lighter, they're less than 1. And the things that are on the bottom, their density is greater. All right, and then, as long as I was playing with water, I've always wanted to try this trick, so I'm going to try it with you now. Well, it's not really a trick, it's an experiment. But I took an orange and I peeled the whole orange, and when I drop it in, oh my gosh, that is a sinker. But then I thought, what if I just peel it halfway? So now this orange is only half peeled. So that one floats a little bit. So then I thought, if I had it completely unpeeled, completely unpeeled, just the whole orange, and I put that in, what would that do? So now that one becomes a floater, and it floats higher than the halfway. And the reason why is because underneath that orange hard shell is a little layer of air, and that air is what keeps it floating. It's kind of like when you go swimming in the summer when you were little and you wore those water wings, so you had air, pockets of air, and that kept you on top of the water. There's pockets of air trapped in that orange. All right, have a great day.